good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Valorant. On my previous video, I taught you how to install Valorant, right? Now in this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove it. So the thing I want to remind you is again, if you're watching this on your iOS device, your MacBook or any other devices, rather than the one I'm using right now, which is a workup setup PC with a Windows running OS. So if you're having other devices than this one, please stay on the video because the process is literally the same, okay? So it's pretty easy, just type in the control panel on your search bar right there. It should show like this. Let me just maximize it. Now you're gonna look for programs. Under programs, there should be a section that says uninstall a program. Click on it and then just look for Valorant on the installed files you have or applications. So as you can see, I have Valorant right there, and then simply right click on it and simply click on uninstall. If I click uninstall, it will automatically uninstall Valorant. You're just gonna ask that, are you sure to do this? Just click yes to proceed, and you're gonna uninstall Valorant on your PC. That's how it is. And by the way, just an additional reminder: if you really want to install Valorant, you might as well install Riot Client and Riot Vanguard because this too supports Valorant as well. Okay. So that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. And this is how you uninstall Valorant. Okay, have a good one.